Welcome to Brain Vision.
So the string must oscillate in a standing wave pattern to have a certain number of loops. The frequencies of the standing waves will be 60 hertz, and that's for all the waves, all the standing waves, and that's same as the oscillator. So the frequency is also expressed by equation 11.19b, which says f of n, or frequency at some number n, is equal to n times v divided by twice L. So L is the length and v is the velocity or speed of the wave. So the speed of the wave also on the string can be calculated, or can be calculated using 11.13, which is v equals to square root of ft over mu. So the tension in the string will be the same as the weight of the masses hung from the end of the string. So that means f of t is equal to m times g. Now combining these relationships will gives an expression for the masses hung from the end of the string. So for part A, we have to calculate mass. So Fn is equal to nv over twice L, and we can equate that with the following equation, where we replace the expression for v. So we have n over twice L square root of f of t by mu. Now again we can replace f of t by mg, so we have n by twice L square root of mg divided by mu. And from there we can actually calculate the mass. So we see that mass is equal to 4L squared Fn squared mu divided by n squared times g. So m1 here is 4 times 1.5 meter squared times 60 hertz, then we put a square there, then that multiplies with 3.5 times 10 to the power -4 kg per meter. We divide the whole thing by n squared times g, where again n is 1, that's why we have m1. So 1 squared times g, which is 9.8 meter per second squared. So this gives us mass as 1.2 kg. In part B, we see that m2 is equal to m1 by 2 squared, because all the other terms will be constant. The only thing that will change here is the n value, so that's why it's m1 over 2 squared. And now if we put the value of mass, or m1, so 1.157, so this is the actual value of one mass, but we approximate that to 1.2 kg. So we divide that by 4, and that gives us 0.29 kg. Finally, for part C, we have m5, which is equal to m1 by 5 squared. So now we can again use the numbers. So we have 1.157 kg divided by 5 squared, which is 25. So that will give us 4.5 times 10 to the power -2 kg. Thanks for watching.